Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to export saved passwords on Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it's loaded up, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the menu icon, which appears as three horizontal lines. Click on this icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, click on Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can customize various aspects of Brave. Once you're in the settings panel, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see several options listed vertically. From there, click on Autofill and Passwords. This section is where Brave stores all your login credentials and manages how they're used across different websites. After clicking that, you'll see Password Manager appear. Go ahead and click on it to access your complete list of saved passwords. Now that you're in the Password Manager, look again at the left panel. You'll notice another settings option specific to password management. Click on this settings option to access the tools and features related to your stored passwords. This is where you can control how Brave handles your password data, including the ability to export them for backup or migration purposes. In this section, look for the option labeled Export Passwords. This feature allows you to download all your saved passwords into a file that you can store securely or use in another browser if needed. Right beside Export Passwords, you'll see a button that says Download File. Click on this button to begin the export process. Keep in mind that this action will create a file containing all your login credentials, so it's important to handle it securely. After clicking Download File, a window will appear asking you to select where you want to save the file on your computer. Browse through your folders and choose the location that makes the most sense for you, whether that's your desktop, documents folder, or an external drive for extra security. If you want to rename the file before saving it, go ahead and do that now. Once you've chosen your location and confirmed the file name, click Save. And that's it. You've successfully exported all your saved passwords from Brave browser. The file is now stored in the location you selected, and you can use it whenever you need to transfer your passwords or keep them as a backup. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.